Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to repost any posts on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application. Now as you see, you are on the discover page. So for example, this post right here, so you will find this icon between the heart and the comment section. So click on it like this and click repost. And that's it. That's how to repost. If you want to remove repost, just click on it again. So that's it. That's how to remove how to repost or remove repost easy and quickly on your account on Bluesky. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.